Hello everyone. Some related processes of the accommodation workshop. Let me tell you about it. Next, I will show you. This is the operation process of my accommodation workshop. First, we print the work order. After printing the work order, we need to check it. What aspects should we pay attention to? We need to check the materials of the work order. What materials are used? Confirm whether the work order has a color. What color it is. We need to do 1 cut and 2 cuts for this work order. From that moment on, sign the hand inspection when the work order is printed. The second cut is to change the mold. After this thing is finished, we need to change the mold. After changing the mold, we need to check the model of the work order and other details to see if they match. Thirdly, we require our employees to be familiar with the work order, to check if there are any mistakes in color and materials. It's also convenient for them to pull materials. The next step is to mix the materials. After we mix the materials, we need to mix them. What about the materials? After mixing, such as the color and material, we need to confirm what color to mix. For this part, are all brought from the warehouse. There are many kinds of materials like these. Like this one. Next, I will show you. It's the employee. The operation process after seeing the work order. The same goes for after we get the work order. Will be posted on the machine. The employee will check the material situation. How many in a basket? How many in a basket? The actual number of work orders. And weight. When operating the machine, employees should also pay attention because we have to teach them ourselves. For the quantity, they need to learn by themselves. Count after learning how to count. How many in a basket? It's convenient for them. While operating the machine, employees should also pay attention to what? We need to consider many aspects, such as our fan, the bellows. What should we pay attention to? Such as whether the fan is normal, whether the bellows are open, and the temperature of the bellows. We need to check. While operating the machine, we should also check the platform. If there is any leakage on the platform. What's the situation when operating this part? We should also pay attention to employee safety. For example, iron and other things. Things like iron. Like this one. Because there is electricity on it. We need to use it. We can only operate after turning off the electric heater. Of course, if there is a problem in this regard, it is our own fault. I will tell you. When we were making these products of this color, what should we pay attention to prevent the products from getting dirty? Now we are applying 1 layer. We lay a layer like this. We need to lay a layer of grid for these products, and also on the bottom. We also need to pad at the end. Of course, when we do this color, we should also pay attention to whether there are scratches on the product or silver wire phenomenon.